how to import TikTok song and audio into Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to import your TikTok song or any audio in your Capcut video editing software. So for that, all you have to do is just open your TikTok account, and here all you have to do is just select the audio that you would want to use in your Capcut while editing a video. So just listen to this audio right here. Yeah, so this sounds great. So in order to save this particular audio into our Capcut, all you have to do is just click on this circle icon right above the profile icon. So just click on it, and now all you have to do is just add this song into your favorites. So just click on the add favorite button, and after that when you close the TikTok account and when you open your Capcut account, all you have to do is just create a new project, and now just select the video in which you want to use the audio that you have just downloaded from your TikTok account, and now just click on add, and here just click on audio and sound, and after that you will be able to see the original sound that you have just added in your favorite list in your TikTok account. So just press on it and hear the audio. And now you can go ahead and click on add and add this particular audio sound in your Capcut while editing a video. So this is basically how you will be able to import TikTok song and audio into your Capcut account. I hope you find this video to be helpful.
So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.